Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unhide archived chats on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide archived chats on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app. And after opening your Telegram app, guys, if you have hidden your archived chats previously, they won't be available on here on the inbox section of the Telegram. Instead, we'll be required to swipe down on the inbox section like this, guys. Swipe down a little bit and the swipe down for archive will appear at the top of the screen, and your archived chats which you had hidden will be appeared. Let's do that again. And you can see after we scroll down, the chat is hidden. The archive chat is hidden. Now again swipe the inbox a little bit down, and you can see the swipe down for archive is appearing. Swipe it down until the release for archive appears at the top of the screen in the blue, and all of your archive chats will be available for you over here. Now in order to unhide your archive chats from over here, tap and hold on the archive chats, and the pin in the chat list option will be available for you at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that pin in the chat list, and you can see, guys, your archive chats will be unhidden from over here. And this way, guys, you will be able to unhide your archive chats on Telegram. And there, guys, this is how to unhide archive chats on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.